In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your API key in Todoist. If you've ever wanted to connect Todoist to another app, build an automation, or use a custom integration, you'll usually be asked for your Todoist API key. This key acts like a secure password that allows other tools to access your Todoist account on your behalf, so knowing where to find it is essential. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll also share a few tips to keep your key safe once you've found it. First, open Todoist in your browser and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main Todoist screen, look towards the top of the page for your profile area. Depending on your setup, this might show your name, your initials, or a small profile icon. Click on that profile name or icon. This opens a small drop-down menu that gives you access to your account options. From that drop-down, click on the option labeled Settings. This will open the main settings panel for your Todoist account. It may appear in the center of your screen or as a separate window, but you should see several categories or tabs across the top or along the left side. Next, look for the tab called Integrations. Go ahead and click on Integrations. This section is where Todoist manages connections with other apps, services, and tools. It includes things like app integrations, automation platforms, and anything that needs permission to talk to your Todoist account. Within the integration section, you'll see a few subtabs or options. Find the one labeled Developer and click on it. The developer area is specifically designed for API access and custom integrations. This is where Todoist provides your personal API key. On this developer page, you should now see your API information, including your API key. Be careful with this key. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly, don't post it in screenshots, and avoid pasting it into any tool or website you don't trust. If you ever think your key has been exposed, you can usually regenerate it from this same developer section to secure your account again. Once you've located your key, you can copy it and paste it into the app or integration that requires it. And that's all you need to find your API key in Todoist, from opening your profile menu to navigating through settings, integrations, and finally the developer tab.